feel solid, and you can actually fold it, as you can see here, and take it like this. Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. So this one is Ugreen headphones. They are Ugreen Studio Pro. I bought these headphones around $35 new, as you can see here, still sealed pack. And Ugreen usually famous for their accessories like mobile phone adapters, charger, and their power banks, also like computer accessories, but not really famous for their earphones or headphones, but they do make good earphones or headphones. So as you can see here, I bought this pair, and currently I'm using this pair of headphones. This one is from Remix 200 HB. I bought this pair around 7 years ago, and this one is still working. This one actually sounds pretty good, and I did replace the battery and like the cushion and everything, but this one is actually not really that comfortable. And I do have another pair. So this one is my Sennheiser HD 451. So this one is still pretty old, but really comfortable. This use 3.5mm headphone jack, so as you can see here. So this doesn't sound that bassy or anything like that, pretty neutral sound, but sounds pretty good, and these are pretty comfortable earphones. Now I don't really know how this is going to sound, and I can't give you a test of sound, but let's see what we are getting here. So as you can see here, the box looks pretty good and not really bad. The picture you can see here. So on the page you can see like it got 4 mic for ANC and 4 unit coaxial speakers, 120 hours of max playback you can get from this headphones, and we do get high-res audio and LDAC feature and high-res audio wireless, so many things actually. And obviously this just about Bluetooth, and the Bluetooth version is actually Bluetooth 6.0 Ugreen Studio Pro, and the model number is HP206, Bluetooth version 6.0, and the output power is 4 dBm, and you can see it's USB charging port and everything. The capacity of the battery inside the earphones are 820 mAh, quite huge, and charging time is 2 hours. So let's see what we are getting here. By the way, I don't really have much knowledge of headphones or earphones, and I can't give you like professional feedback of earphones, but I will tell you how they sound. So these are the headphones, and nothing else is here. Nicely packed actually. So we do get a 3.5mm to 3.5mm jack, so you can use them as a wired headphone. That's good. And this one is maybe Type-C cable. Let's open and see. Yes, Type-C cable, but pretty tiny actually. Yeah, like not even 0.5 meter maybe. So Ugreen branded, as you can see here. Keep this aside, these are not really that important, and nothing else is here. Oh. And we do get few things here, like there are warranty card and let's see, manual and everything maybe. So and manual, few things. So these are the headphones, nice looking. Yes, they look pretty nice actually, as you can see here, the cup and everything. Fully plastic build. These do look like metal, but plastic actually. And the cups, as you can see here, left and right, pretty similar to Sony's XM series headphones. Obviously, I don't think these are leather, maybe PU leather. Does feel pretty good actually. And obviously you can extend. So what we are getting here, so as you can see, we do get volume up down button here, the power button is here, type C port, and the indicator light is here, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a dedicated button for ANC, and 2 microphones as you can see here, and one here. I don't know where is another one. They said it got 4 microphones, so maybe another one is somewhere here. I can't see any hole for that. This feels so comfortable actually. It's pretty nice as you can see here. Yeah, this one feels pretty good. So let me try to connect the earphone. I don't know there is any app to connect this earphone or not. Maybe there is. So let's see. Let's read the user instruction. So there is no app for these earphones. You just can connect them with traditional earphones actually. So no app. That's pretty sucks. But anyway, it depends on the sound. If sounds is good, they are pretty worthy actually. Only $35. So let me connect. Let's power on. So the light is blinking and it did say that power on. So that's good. And the light is blinking now. So let's connect. Ugreen Studio Pro. Pair. And they are connected. 100% charge. Nothing, just traditional like things. And if I press buttons, nothing is happening right now. So let me turn on. So let me play a music. Yes, it does work. Let me try these headphones for some time and then I can talk about them.
Day 2, Day 3, Day 4.
So I did try these headphones and it sounds just like $35 headphones actually, not really better than that, but pretty comfy, and the ANC is pretty good. It also has like ambience option, so you do get ambience and ANC option, both of them, and they are pretty comfy and sound pretty good. And the material actually, although plastic build fully, you do get metal here, although plastic build, but it feels solid and you can actually fold it as you can see here and take it like this. Pretty small package. Not bad for a $35 actually. Well spent, I would say. And obviously you do get 3.5mm headphone jack, so you can use it anywhere, anytime, even when it has no charge left. So quite good. And about the sound, as I said, it does sound like $35 headphones, not better than that. And you can try them. Although the name does say Studio Pro, but you should not expect too much from like cheap headphones. But for $35, quite good. And if you want to experience the sound, you have to experience yourself. I would say not bad. So that's all about these headphones. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.